There's a new pool light there. We'll find out about it later, boys and girls. There's a starfish.
2021.
There's a mermaid. There's a koi.
Yeah, it needs to be cleaned up. It's still got
And there's a fish with bubbles. And a fish with top. And here is a starfishy. And here is a happy fish.
I like that happy fish.
And here is another mermaid. I tell you, they're getting everywhere these days. Here's a shiny fish. And here is another koi fish. And another shiny fish. And let's go around the bend, which we do quite frequently.
That's new for this year right there.
New for this year, we have dichroic fish. Another starfish, thank you. And another dichroic fish. And another starfish.
That's the one that got significantly broken and repaired.
Another mermaid.
With a
Jonah.
flower in her hair.
And another fish. And another fish. Another mermaid, Jonna. And a starfish. And a cute fish. And over here in
Hold on.
the hot tub, another mermaid, Jonna. Another top fish. A third top fish. And a koi in the corner. And another top fish.
And wait, let me have, because there's another koi fish right there. And there's a graham fish. Graham fish right there. All right. So there's a look at the pool redo.